Is there a difference?
Yes, there is a difference. 1 lump, 2 lumps.
Oh. But it's still a camel though, right? Like in the camel family?
Yes,
Camel?
I think.
Cool.
Okay, I'm gonna go somewhere and find an eagle or a parrot. I'm gonna say, wow, let's go tame the bird. You mean the eagle? No, just the bird. Just bird. Okay, let's go see an animal, chat. Look, I found an animal. There's one right there. Oh, let's go find a dog.